I don't trust a man that doesn't have something strange going on about him, because it means he's hiding it from you. If a man's wearing his pants on his head, or if he says his words backwards from time to time, you know it's all laid out there for you. But if he's friendly to strangers and keeps his home spick and span, more often than not, he's done something even his own ma couldn't forgive.
So yeah, the kooky old man from Fallout New Vegas, known as Nobark Noonan, was really just dropping a truth nuke. And I could tell you from my own time in prison that the inmates that had their beds perfectly made, it's usually because they're trying to hide some contraband. Because I know that when I didn't have anything I wasn't supposed to have, I didn't really care about having my bed looking perfect during inspection and all that. I was much less likely to care, you know? Because if you didn't have your bed perfectly made for inspection, you were actually more likely to get a cell search. They would basically use that as punishment for you not looking good during inspection or whatever. But if I didn't have anything, I didn't really care, right? But when me or my roommate had something of value, we would typically make it look pretty good. That way they'd just keep walking. And how many times have you gone on Instagram and seen somebody with like, look at my perfect life. Look how normal I am. I got news for you. The people that go out of their way to do that, they're hiding something. I'm telling you, they're hiding something. Now, if you see something quirky about them right up front, you can kind of tell what's going on. But these people that really, really go out of their way to look normal all the time, those people give me the creeps. I'm not going to lie to you. They don't have anything weird going on? Okay. I don't think there's any such thing as a normal person. I think it's a myth. That's just my take on it. I mean, I guess they could exist because people are complex. Human beings are complex creatures. But whenever somebody's putting on a show of how normal they are, do not accept that at face value. Trust me. It's the person you really, really need to watch. And we've just seen this time and time again. How many times have you seen the so-called normal person not end up being so normal? And the funny thing about Nobark in the game, he was actually right about a lot of things in the game. I mean, I know not all of you play Fallout New Vegas, so I don't want to bore you with the details, but he ended up being right about a lot of things, but he just said it in a way that was kind of cryptic, and he inserted his own craziness into it. And there was always some truth to everything he said. For those that don't know, that's kind of the kind of character he was in the game. And but I tell you one thing he got spot on, and it was this. If you get one takeaway from this video, do not trust people based on the facade that they just give you. The facade they give you it's just what they want you to see. You cannot take everything you see at face value. People are hiding shit. And it might not be something terrible, but there's something there. Anyways, guys, it's just a little nugget of wisdom I wanted to drop on you guys today. Tune in tomorrow for tomorrow's video. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Check out the merch. Check out everything. Make sure to leave a comment. See you guys in the next one. Jordan Jareb signing off.